Good evening everyone. Happy New Year. May mga humahabol po ng sale. So unit for Sir Adonis C. Dizon of Malasiki, Pangasinan. Brand new VG17 Gen 2. And nag-purchase din si Sir ng dalawang green gas and dalawang pack ng BBs. So test natin yung unit ni Sir Adonis Dizon of Malasiki, Pangasinan. Test muna natin yung kung may leak yung magazine. So walang leak. And then 5 shots. So gawin na natin 6, 2, 4, 6, 7 shots. 2, 4, 6, 7. So ito na yung unit. So VG17 Gen 3, may finger groove and then may maliit yung mag catch. So yun yung BB. Ayun yung BB. For Sir Adonis C. Dizon of Malasiki, Pangasinan, VG17 Gen 3 test fire. Okay. So pag naubos yung bala, slide back, then hilain nyo lang tong slide and bitawan nyo, then hammer down. Thank you very much, Sir Adonis C. Dizon of Malasiki, Pangasinan.